Let us continue with chapter 3 of secretarial practice, debenture. Now we have to learn about the debenture trust deed. The following particulars are included in the trust deeds: primary information of the company, description of debenture issue, information of security or assets mortgage, particulars of the appointment of debenture trustees, events of defaults, obligation of company, miscellaneous. Under that it comes amendment made in any matter of trust deed, company is liable for payment of stamp duty, provision for meeting of debenture holder and resolution for grievance, objects and resolution thereof. The procedure for transfer of debenture. To transfer a debenture, the form is available by the company and that form is to be filled with the details in it. Name and address of the seller and the purchaser of the debenture has to be mentioned with all the details like certificate, serial number, the price of the debenture, and then both the parties has to sign in the form. The seller has to sign second time. It's a proof that he is selling voluntarily. Then the debenture transfer form with the certificate and all has to be submitted in the registered office of the company. The company secretary will examine the form and compare the signature with the specimen signature. Once it is ensured whether the requisite stamp duty has been paid and endorsement is done to the effect in the transfer register, a meeting of board of directors will be held to discuss about the transfer of debentures and a resolution is passed. On the basis of resolution of board of directors, the company secretary enters the name of the purchaser or issues a new certificate and dispatches the same to the purchaser. Let us see the difference between share and debenture. As we know, a joint stock company divides its capital in small parts and each part is called a share. When the joint stock company borrows money from public, that is called a debenture. It is a owner's capital in shares, whereas debenture is a borrowed capital. In share, the company pays dividend on a share from profit, whereas in debenture, the company pays interest on the debenture amount. For share, rate of dividend is unspecified. For debenture, the rate of interest is specified. Shareholders are the owners of the company. Debenture holders are creditors of the company. The risk is higher in share, the risk is less in debenture. Shareholder has voting right, debenture holder has no voting right. The stamp duty on transfer of share is payable at a lesser rate. The stamp duty on transfer of debentures is payable on a higher rate. The redemption, in that the shareholder cannot get their money back as long as the company is in existence. The debenture can be redeemed as per its type. Debenture holder have the first right to receive their money in case of liquidation. There are no charges of assets. Issue of debenture creates charge on assets of the company. Dividend on share cannot be paid out of capital of the company. Interest on debenture can be paid out of capital as per provision. Shareholder have control over the administration of the company. Debenture holders have no control over the administration of the company. However, as they have appointed a trustee to safeguard their interest. Shareholder cannot demand a liquidation of the company. Debenture holders can demand a liquidation of the company.